Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Easy Cook with Mila. Since it's a weekend, my kids want something different. Moreover, my cousin who had come down from Muscat had brought me fresh kubus, so I thought this is the right time to go with some platter. So I decided to try shish tawuk and adana kebab. Let's quickly move on to the recipe. First, let's do the marination for the shish tawuk. Bismillah. Here I have taken around 800 grams of chicken boneless cubes. Take a mixing bowl. Cut a medium size onion roughly. Here I am using white onion. If you don't have white onion, you can go with the red onion. Just to get the flavor infused with the marination, we are adding it. Grate 3 to 4 garlic cloves, large size of garlic cloves. Juice of 1 lemon. One teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half inch of cinnamon is just grated. If you have cinnamon powder, you can add 1 pinch. Give it a good mix. Let's add in the chicken cubes to the marinade. Give it a good mix. We are going to leave this marinade for 4 hours. The marination time has to be 4 hours minimum and maximum overnight. If you give overnight marination, you will get a better result. The more time you marinate, your chicken will be more tender. It's better you refrigerate it if your marination time is going to be more than 2 hours. Now on the other side, let's soak in the bamboo skewers to avoid from getting burnt while grilling. Now let's cut the wedges. Here I have taken 3 colors of bell pepper. If you happen to get, you can use, otherwise you can use whatever color you get. So remove the seeds and make into small cubes. Transfer it to a bowl and cover it with a cling foil so that it remains fresh. This is how you cut the onion, and you can separate it easily. This also you make into small cubes. Cover this and keep it aside. The veggies has been cut and the chicken also has been marinated. So now all the preparation for the shish tawuk is ready. Now let's quickly move on to the marination of adana kebab. I have taken around 500 grams of mutton mince in the ratio of 80% meat and 20% fat, 1 cup of red and green bell pepper chopped and remove the moist, 1 or medium sized onion finely chopped and remove the moist, 1 handful of coriander leaf chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 to 3 teaspoon of saffron water, 2 tablespoon of garlic mince, 1 egg, and salt to taste. Let's combine all the ingredients to a mixing bowl. First goes in the onion, next the capsicum. I have removed the excess moist in the onion and capsicum. Crushed garlic, handful of coriander leaf chopped. Now goes in the sumac. If you don't happen to find sumac, you can substitute with lemon juice. Chili flakes, black pepper powder, salt to taste, now goes in the saffron water. Have given the detailed ingredients recipe in the description below. 1 egg. Mix it nicely. After mixing the ingredients, now add in the mutton mince. Knead it nicely. Since I have taken 80% of meat and 20% of fat, there is no need to add any oil or ghee. So mix it nicely, and I'm going to leave this for 4 hours. Minimum 1 hour, maximum overnight you can marinate. Cover it with a cling wrap and leave it aside. It's almost 4 hours now. Let's continue with the shish taouk. Let's check on the chicken and the veggies which we had cut already and kept aside. Let's remove and keep all the veggies ready. Our bamboo stick is also ready. Now let's put all the chicken pieces and the veggies in the skewers. I'm going to arrange it alternatively. The capsicum, then the chicken, then the red bell pepper, then again the chicken, onion. So alternatively you can arrange as per your taste. Again the chicken, the onion, and I'm ending this with the green capsicum. Similarly, I have arranged all the skewers and kept it ready. Similarly, I have arranged the veggies also. So now let's check on the Adana kebab. Now let's check on this. If you happen to find any moist or loose kind of consistency, you can add in corn flour or gram dal. It's a binding agent, so I'm adding in here 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can substitute with gram dal powder also. Mix it well. So now I'm transferring this to a tawa. First I have greased the tawa with oil and I have transferred the meat to the tawa. I'm going to do the kebab on the tawa. So if you're going to do it on the skewers, it's not necessary of adding any binding agent. Since I'm doing it in tawa, I have to make it little thick. So I'm adding in the corn flour. You can see in my earlier video on how to make kebab on tawa. I have given the link in the description box. In that I have shown you in detail. If you have flat skewers, you can do in that. It comes out really good. And if you are doing it on skewers, no need to add any binding agent like corn flour. If you are finding it difficult to do in this shape, you can always go for a round shape like a fillet. It will be easy to handle. Now it's done on one side. Let's flip it on the other side. You should be very careful in flipping the pieces. Now our Turkish Adana kebab is ready. See, it's looking nice. Let's transfer this to a hot box to keep it warm, so that meanwhile we can continue with the shish taouk. Brush some oil on the tawa and arrange the skewers like this. Keep turning it occasionally so that the meat will not get burnt. The special about this kebab is the juiciness and the tenderness of the meat. So we have to keep turning it occasionally. It's a main key point. And it has to be done in the medium flame so that you will get nice shish taouk. It has turned out really well. So I have done the other batch also. Now all our shish taouk are ready. Now let's start to arrange the platter. First I am going to place all the kubus down. Now I am going to arrange Adana kebab on one side and the shish taouk on the other side. Today I have shown you a Turkish platter. If you want such interesting recipes, do tell me in the comment box. I'll come up with such videos. With this I have made some Persian rice and hummus. My children enjoyed this platter. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Do try it in your kitchen and leave your comments in the comment box. Meet you soon with another interesting video. Masalama. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and don't forget to click the bell icon.